Good morning, folks. Today's Tuesday, February 23rd. Let's do a quick recap following yesterday's technical analysis. Now, just an important side note. This week, Jerome Powell is going to speak twice to the Congress. And what's going to be interesting, or what's going to be important to note is his views on this year's run-up in bond yields. So the market, if it doesn't have support from the Feds at this point to keep printing money, so to speak, then there's no reason to keep going up. We're going to need to retrace, and this is healthy. So it's nothing to really be concerned about yet. We need more data to be able to get to that point. But for now, there's going to be a quick concern about a quick rise in rates. All right, so let's go to our chart. So yesterday we charted out this Tesla play where we hit during market hours, we hit our first target, and now pre-market looks like we got to our second target. This is going to be a critical zone. So it's really this green box down to the pivot point. We need to hold here. Now, this kind of looks like a little bit of a Wyckoff distribution, followed by the downside. So this could offer potential for a bounce. If you are long on spot, set yourself a plan. Don't act on this is just not financial advice. This is just a suggestion. Don't act on your feelings. Just go based on your plan and try to stick to it, whatever that may be. Now, right now, it looks like we're finding support on 4-hour 377 exponential. Let's take a look at the daily where that lands, and that's about 89 exponential. So yeah, we could potentially see a bounce just to retest the breakdown of 50. Let's take a look at other things. So Square looks like it's going down to 21 straight away on the daily. So if you see that orange dotted line, that's basically pre-market. Let's take a look at our watch list. So we got SPY still following trend. Well, not trend, but following our arrows. And looks like right now we are trading below the 21. So what I'm thinking, and this is just speculation, is that we're going to come below the 21, which we are right now. Go down to around where that arrow is, if not all the way down here. Then these will eventually come together to the point that it's going to try to cross over, and then the price will try to meet up to it. And then that's where we hold our breath. Let's take a look at other stocks. Facebook is down as well, coming back to the 200. Apple looks like it's not even going to try this. It's just going to go straight down. It's below the pivot. It's not exactly good. Let's look at AMD. AMD already broke down. AMD, we have a breakdown of the wedge we have here. So this right here, we said last time that this is the must hold level. Oh, right there. Now we need to stay above here at all to remain to the upside, in my opinion. Google, well, we already met our target and exceeded it. Right now, we're right up against the 21 exponential a little bit. So this is all done, I would say. NVIDIA, not good. So you need to stay above this line over here. I just moved that over. Walmart, still hanging in there. Keep an eye on this one, but that's a tough one because we're getting pretty close to the cross here. We have about 1 to 2 days left, counting today. This is still going down, still following play, so it's good. GameStop, we have a little bit of a pop after hours, I believe. Yeah, right here. So see, still trying to break out. So unless we have a close up outside of the formation, I can't call this done yet. I mean, some could look at this, and no, that's just forcing a play. All right, let's keep an eye on that one. AMC, I guess I didn't have any targets here, but I've been looking at R4. So I've been looking at something here, right there. Let's look at BlackBerry. BlackBerry, I was looking for further downside over here. So somewhere below 10. So right now we're at 10.15, almost there. Alibaba, we are still, we're targeting 251. It looks like we are below 250s now. Let's give this one till we could close and reassess. But it's not looking good. This stock, whatever this thing is. So right now we are trading at 190. Yep. Okay. So this is basically done as far as the play. So we came up and then we're coming down to the 50. So I think the target's already met. If you wanted to keep an uptrend, I'm just kind of looking like 3 segments. So it could just be a retracement that's bullish, but after this run up like this, we'll see. JP Morgan, no comment here. SOS needs help, still going lower. UUU, still think this is a top, but you don't want to call it top. So let's keep an eye on this one too. Next support seems to be around 480. Netflix, well, looks like we are breaking pivot. So yeah, let's keep an eye on that. I mean, it does need a healthy retracement. So, and this kind of looks like a diagonal, a rising wedge, basically. Bitcoin, we said yesterday I needed to stay above the 51,000 area. Looks like it didn't do that, but it's coming down close to the 4-hour 200 exponential. Let's look at the 12-hour. 12 hours bouncing up to 50. That's good. So we could potentially see 51, 52. Let's keep an eye on this cross here. We need closes. So we need candle closes. I can see this is a good play, actually. All right, this is going negative. So this is a risky play, and this is not financial advice, again. So if we can close above the 21 exponential, I can see a small spike down, if not front run, just go straight up. But I'd be looking for a test of 10 simple. That's only if we can stay above the 21 exponential. Otherwise, I can see this going down, take a day, retest 21, and then fall down further. And then this will come together, the 10 simple with the 21, and then we'll get a retest before that cross down. Similar to how this happened. Yeah, when we went straight down if the 21 didn't hold, and then we'll go back up to retest and try to stay above the cross. If we can fail to do so, then we'll look for more downside. And API, wow, okay, so this could offer a potential bounce, but it's not looking good either. So at the 4-hour, 4 hours coming to the 200 exponential. All right, so if we can stay above the 200, I think we can get a nice bounce to meet up to 10 simple and 89 exponential. All right, guys, stay safe out there. Remember, form a plan, follow a plan, stick to it. If you build up a thesis and you have reasons for it, stick to it, because that's probably the best play. All right, guys, take care, trade safe.